Happy Thursday, everyone. Today we are going to continue working on comparing fractions with the same numerator. Okay, and I'm going to show you a little trick today. So at the top of mine, I'm going to write comparing fractions with the same numerator. Alright, so yesterday we talked about one strategy of being able to visualize it and being able to see it. So let's just pretend I have the fraction 3/8 is greater than, less than, or equal to 3/4. Okay, let's use these. So yesterday's strategy, we learned how to visualize it and how to draw our pictures. So that's what I'm going to start with today. I know that this is 3/8, so my circle needs to be divided up into 8ths. Doing the best that I can to keep the pieces even. And I know that 3 of these pieces are going to have to be shaded in. 1, 2, and 3. And over here on the right side, I have 3/4. So I know that my circle is going to be divided into 4ths. And I know that 3 of these pieces are going to be shaded in. So looking at my visuals, I can see that with my circles, I have more shaded on this 3/4. So I can come to the conclusion that 3/8 is less than 3/4. Also, yesterday we did learn that the bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces. And again, we can see that over here with our 8ths. That is a bigger number, and so our pieces are smaller than over here with our 4ths. Okay, but let's say that you were really kind of in a crunch, in a bind, and you didn't want to draw out these visuals. I'm going to show you what can be called the butterfly method or cross multiplying. And so we're going to practice that with our examples today. So with cross multiplying, here's how we're going to do this. And I'm going to use this same example, this 3/8 and 3/4. So what cross multiplying slash the butterfly method is a little trick to help us comparing. So what that means is I'm going to take this and I'm going to circle like that, okay? So that means I'm going to do 8 times 3, and knowing my multiplication facts, I know that 8 times 3 is 24. So I'm going to put that 24 up here, and I'm going to box this in. And then I'm going to cross multiply on the other side. So I'm going to take 3 and 4, and cross multiply it. So I'd have 4 times 3. And again, knowing my multiplication facts, I know that 4 times 3 is going to give me 12. And I'm also going to box this number in. Okay? So then you can take these products and you can compare these products to tell you which number is bigger. So 24 is bigger than 12. So I know 12 is less than 24. Or 3/8 is less than 3/4, which is what we had up here. Okay, I would like for you to pause this video, get this copied down, I'm going to do a few more examples, okay? So let's do another example. Let's say we have the fraction 5/6 and 5/8, okay? And I'm going to show you the cross-multiplying butterfly method. So we're going to take 6 times 5, and I know that 6 times 5 is going to give me 30. I'm going to box it in, and I'm going to do 5 times 8 to cross-multiply, and I know that 5 times 8 is 40. Box that in. So now I can look at my products, and I can say, well, 40 is greater than 30. So 5/6 must be greater than 5/8. If you wanted, you could also still, again, draw these visuals. This is just a little trick to help us do these a little bit quicker if we needed to. All right, I'm going to put another one down here. Let's say we have the fraction 2/4, and we have the fraction 2/3. Okay? Again, we're going to do this cross-multiply butterfly method. So I'm going to take 4 times 2. 4 times 2, which gives me what? It gives me 8. Okay? And then I'm going to take 2 times 3, which gives me 6. So then I can look at my products, and I can know, well, 6 is less than 8, so 2/4 must be less than 2/3. So 2/4 is less than 2/3. Okay? I'm going to put 1 or 2 over here that I would like for you to try, and then come back and check your answer. So let's say we have the fraction 1/6 and 1/8, and we want to compare these using this cross-multiplying or butterfly method. So I have 6 times 1 gives me 6, and I have 1 times 8, which gives me 8. So I know that 8 is greater than 6, so 1/6 is greater than 1/8. Last one to try on your own. Okay, let's use 2/6 and 2/8. So I can cross multiply. 6 times 2 is 12, and 2 times 8 is 16. So I know 16 is greater than 12, so 2/6 must be greater than 2/8. Okay? So your classwork for today, or your practice for today, you're going to be continuing to practice comparing fractions with the same numerator. Give this method a try as you're working through your slides for today. Do them in your math. You can work them out in your math section of your notebook. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.